tasty cookie varieties you must try. Welcome to our sweet journey exploring the most delectable cookie types that have captured hearts and taste buds around the globe. Starting off with the classic chocolate chip cookie, its gooey chocolate bits embedded in soft dough make it a timeless favorite for all ages. Next, we delve into the rich and decadent world of double chocolate cookies, a dream come true for chocolate lovers, offering a double dose of chocolatey goodness. For those who adore a nutty flavor, peanut butter cookies come in strong, combining the creamy, salty taste of peanut butter with the sweet base of a traditional cookie. Oatmeal raisin cookies bring a chewy texture and a mix of sweet and fruity flavors, making them a healthier option that doesn't compromise on taste. Snickerdoodle cookies, with their soft center, crispy edges, and a coating of cinnamon sugar, offer a uniquely warm and comforting flavor profile. Macaroons stand out with their light, airy texture and coconut base, providing a deliciously tropical twist to the cookie family. For an elegant and refined cookie experience, shortbread cookies melt in your mouth with their buttery richness and simple yet sophisticated taste. Lemon cookies burst onto the scene with their zesty, tangy flavor, offering a refreshing change from the usual sweet cookie varieties. Gingerbread cookies, a holiday favorite, enchant with their spices and intricate designs, filling the air with the irresistible aroma of ginger, cinnamon, and clove. Sugar cookies, beloved for their simplicity and versatility, serve as the perfect canvas for icing, sprinkles, and other creative decorations. Finally, white chocolate macadamia cookies blend the creamy sweetness of white chocolate with the crunchy, nutty texture of macadamia nuts for an unforgettable treat. Each of these cookie types brings its own unique flavor and charm, proving that there's a cookie out there for everyone to love.